Something just shifted inside India's largest companies. Not a small upgrade, a fundamental change in how entire organizations operate. And it happened faster than anyone predicted. The India AI Impact Summit made it official that Indian enterprises have gone agentic. They're deploying autonomous AI systems that don't wait for prompts. These agents analyze, decide, and execute completely on their own. And this isn't startups experimenting. India's biggest corporates deploying at scale. So, where exactly are these agents showing up? Start with hiring. AI agents are now screening thousands of candidates, conducting initial video interviews, and shortlisting talent, all before a human recruiter ever gets involved. Then there's operations. Agents managing supply chains, processing invoices, running compliance audits, work that used to tie up entire teams, now running quietly in the background. And here's the thing, these companies aren't piloting anymore. They've moved past testing, they're scaling. But here's what most people are getting wrong about this, it's not about replacing people. The smartest companies are redeploying their workforce. When AI handles the grind, screening, scheduling, data entry, your best people get freed up for strategy, for relationships, for work that actually grows the business. The workforce isn't shrinking, it's being restructured. And here's the bigger picture, India isn't just adopting agentic AI, it's writing the playbook. While the rest of the world debates whether agents are enterprise ready, Indian companies are already on version 2. The talent, the scale, the ambition. India is becoming the global blueprint for enterprise AI. So, the question every business leader needs to answer right now isn't whether AI agents work. That debate's settled. It's how many should we be running? And tell me, is your company agentic yet? I want to hear it in the comments below.